So hi lovely friends and welcome back once again to another adventurous episode here on North Meet South by Satish and Stuti. Satish is behind the camera and you can see me always talking. Okay, nevertheless, once again we are to a wonderful place. Okay, we're gonna give you a very nice historical background about an exceptionally great thing. So do stay connected. Remember to like, share and subscribe our video. So I will not create more suspense for you all. Just have a look over there. Now you guys must be thinking, what is Satish and Stuti up to? Are you getting scared of the flood? Yes, I am getting scared. But we are going to all these places just to bring the exotic beauty of this place. And it's daredevil work. Most of the time, me and Satish are doing all challenging work only to bring the best for you guys because you guys are so very important for us. My. Come and have a look over here. So guys, have a look on this. Quite scary, quite dangerous. Half of the pillar of the second level of this place is submerged under water. The railing is inside the submersion under the water. I can see that. Right? Look at the depth. Look at the width of this place. Look at the speed with which the water is gushing. As I told you that we were all facing the impact of typhoon. And onto my right, you can see a bridge. Then you will say, what is there great in this bridge? Well, guys, this is Punalurka Bridge. Adjacent to that is a sensational bridge which we're gonna take and show you and give you all interesting facts about it. So stay connected and follow with me. Chalo, let's go and have a look on that bridge. Come on. So friends, this is that wonderful place, the great suspension bridge about which I wanted to show you and talk to you about. I know you might have seen it in the thumbnail. So come and have a look with me. It's a wonderful evening and lot many families have come over here. And it's a great feeling to walk on something which is so ancient. Now this Satish cannot make fun of me and I'm sure he will also agree. And this is the most amazing and historical thing that you can have it as a thing of pride, right? For the localites over here. This bridge is built in the year 1877. So this is a beautiful place which I was mentioning you and you would have seen it in the thumbnail. This is indeed an ancient bridge built in 1877. Just have a look of this wonderful bridge. Both the sides you can see Kallara River. Beautiful, wide and refreshing always throughout the year. Whenever you come over here, you will find lots of water gushing through. Pleasant evening after the continuous rain. And nice to have so many people coming out to relax themselves in this beautiful place. Now this is a spectacular view, dear friends. I'm sure you would be enjoying this along with me as I am enjoying. Once again, I spotted the bamboo trees and see the branches of the trees at the bank of the river drooping down and the gushing water, slow and continuous flow of water, large and wide and very, very deep Kallara River. This is the same Kallara River which we were following for past couple of videos. I'm sure you would have watched it in our videos. So friends, let's go to the end of the bridge, have a walk with me, right? Virtually you can see the magnificent beauty of this place, both the sides. It's awesome, right? And I'm going to give you some more details, exclusive details about this place. It's not just an ordinary bridge. It is indeed an ancient and a historical bridge, which I'm sure if you check it out, you will find how awesome this place is.
So, honey, how is this place?
Yeah, this
So
is.
finally, we came to, again we came back to Kundur.
Uh-huh.
What is it? Suspension
Suspension
Bridge.
bridge.
We always have,
I will say it as hanging bridge.
Yeah.
He will say it as suspension bridge.
Yeah.
Well, this bridge is built in
I think hanging
1877.
bridge is by British English
Uh-huh.
and suspension bridge by,
American English.
American English. That's what I think.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the third time we are coming here, and it's our second vlog from this place.
Mm-hmm.
But when we came last time,
Uh-huh.
we didn't have any idea about how it was built, or we didn't have any idea about. We were thinking like it was built by Karen Hood dynasty.
Yeah.
You can see, guys. You can see, if you can see, this one year is written
1877.
1877, and there's a sign also, like that's a symbol of Tavern Hood.
Shank Nani.
That's a shank. What do you call it in English? Shell.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. Let's have a go.
Yeah.
So we were thinking that it's been built by Travancore dynasty. Actually, it is not.
It is built by Albert Henry
Albert Henry.
in 1877. Right? It's indeed an ancient bridge. Now you cannot make fun of me,
No,
isn't
we
it?
don't say ancient. 1877 is like 18th century.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't say.
Still not.
We say
Still
like
not.
old. Old is
It's
fine.
quite old.
Yeah, ancient is like you talk about something from Bronze Age or Bronze Age.
Medieval period.
That you can say that
Uh-huh.
ancient.
Uh-huh.
This is not ancient.
Mm-hmm.
This is old bridge, and it's built by Albert
Henry.
Henry. Then after that, what else we can give to our viewers regarding this bridge? Come here, come this side. Come this side.
It took 6 years for them to complete this suspension bridge. 6 years.
Yeah.
And initially people were, after the completion of this bridge, people...
I'll show them something else. Come here. You can see this material, right?
Yeah.
This is iron one.
These are iron ones.
They might have painted on it. Yeah, they might have painted, right?
Yeah, they have painted it. And it took 6 years for them to complete
And
this.
these all materials came from all the way from
England.
England.
Yeah.
And they came by sea to
Through
Kollam.
sea till Kollam, then from Kollam to Polurur, it
Yeah.
took 1 month for
1
them
month.
to transport the materials
Yeah.
with the help of elephants. That is the beauty of it. It's not by a cart or a vehicle to transport.
it took by
They
a
might
cart.
have, but still pulled by elephants.
elephants.
All the heavy logs definitely would be lifted up by elephants.
Yeah.
And friends, when this it took, as I told you, it took 6 years for them to complete this bridge.
And I'll
Once
show you something more. Like these are recently paid one, right? This wood.
they have renovated, this renovation work is done by government of Kerala.
And this wood is actually called Kambalam wood.
Yeah,
Kambalam wood is
burr flower.
burr.
Burr flower in English.
Yeah.
And as I was telling that, it took actually 6 years for them to complete the suspension bridge.
Okay.
And once it was done, actually people had lot of fear to walk on this.
Yeah,
So
that's a
Albert,
funny story,
that
right?
is a funny story.
Yeah.
This is
And,
a story. This is what people believe. And literally, Albert Henry said, "Okay, fine. If you guys are, not believing my engineering work," he, along with his whole family, went in a boat in the same Colorado River down, which is flowing right now, right? And he made 6 adult elephants to walk through the bridge to show the power and the stability of this bridge, right?
Yeah, to just make people believe.
Believe that you can, 6 elephants, you can imagine the tons of weight that the bridge would have sustained during that time.
Yeah.
And this was a belief of people. This is just a story. We don't know. Me and Satish were not alive in 1877. We were nowhere.
Still live this era.
Uh-huh.
I don't think so. Anybody would be living.
No,
even
not
now.
possible.
1877, right?
Yeah.
When 1977 was 100 years completed.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no possibility that that really happen. And another thing is like they used material like this is not a cement.
Yeah, no cement is being used. This is the beauty of this and the uniqueness of this bridge. This particular suspension bridge, it does not have any cement work.
Yeah.
Next to this You can see the bridge, right? This is absolutely made of sand.
1972 something.
1971, 1972 they have made it.
Whole knot of it.
Yeah, because I'm bad in remembering. So in 1972 they have built this concrete bridge due to the heavy use of this route, which was connecting Punalur to Tamil Nadu.
Beyond this, right, and all those areas, it was a dense forest.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I mean those. I mean, I'm talking about 150 years back.
Back, yeah. Now it has become altogether different.
Those time, it was dense forest. Those areas, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this area is. This area was
City place, yeah.
And there are people who used to live there,
Mm-hmm.
and they faced a huge problem.
Yeah.
They faced like it was
Forest, so lots of elephant and wild animals will come.
by an like tiger or leopard or
Oh, that's
whatever.
dangerous.
So if they make a normal bridge,
Concrete bridge.
concrete bridge,
Uh-huh.
okay, something like that, even wild animal can easily
Yeah, come. Walk through this.
populated place. That's
Correct.
the reason they made it. They want something like similar to this.
Uh-huh.
The structure is like this. Like
Hmm.
if something when we start work on one side, the other side started to shake.
Chef, yeah.
Other
Now
than-
also
Now
we
it's
can
shaking
feed. Yes.
I think it might have changed a lot. But,
But,
earlier it was that was a kind of a saving grace for so many people, and
I
that's
think
one of the reasons.
animals would have got scared when they will put their feet. The thing is moving, bridge is
Yeah.
moving, shaking, so they will run back to the
Another
forest.
reason I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this river, guys.
Hmm.
This river is, is very dangerous one,
Uh-huh.
and the undercurrent is so strong
Uh-huh.
that even to make any structure like a bridge, you need at least two pillars.
Huh.
The
Definitely.
pillars has to be in the
Inside the water, of course.
inside the water.
Yeah.
And we are talking about the story of 150 years back. Those time,
Yeah.
putting a pillar in a river like Kalura River.
Yeah.
It's not that easy.
True.
So that's the reason. One of the reason. They wanted a hanging bridge.
Without a usage of
Hanging
cement,
bridge or suspension bridge?
suspension bridge.
Suspension bridge. We make always this mistake.
So friends, right now I'm standing next to a well. You might be thinking I'm fooling you because this structure from nowhere looks like a well. But honestly speaking, guys, this is a well which is 100 feet deep.
There are 4 wells.
And there are 4 wells over here. One over here right next to me which I'm touching. The other over here, right? And the other 2 same way on the other end at that side. And you know what, friends? No technology has able to, find out about this. Why these wells are there? It is not to supply the water to the people over here. These wells have been made because these these rods and the cables that you can see, these thick ones, these are all clipped inside that well over there. Now this is a mystery which up till now it has not been solved. Okay, Bermuda Triangle mystery is somehow solved, but this mystery is not resolved. So these usually we will have for bridges, we will have pillars, right? Concrete pillars to hold and give support. But in this suspension bridge of 1877 Punalur, these cables, these iron rods which you can see running throughout, these are all clipped inside the well. How it has been clipped, how it has been fixed, how well it has been tightened up, there's nobody who knows it. Because at that time, engineering was done by the great Albert Henry, and we are living like 150 years ahead of when this bridge was being made. So nobody knows, it still remains a mystery.
I think we're kind of tired now.
Yeah, I'm gasping now.
Yeah, we're gonna have a cup
Cup
of
of
coffee
tea.
and coffee or tea.
Anything.
And she's a tea lover and I'm a coffee lover.
No, I also love coffee. Whatever you say, we will have it. No
Okay,
worries.
So we'll go and have a coffee and we'll talk more about this wonderful bridge. And earlier they used to put that lights under the night.
Yeah, evening time
Now-
they have put the lights. They're still there.
Is
They're
there?
still there. Yeah, they haven't switched it on. And all this bridge, this bridge belongs to actually. It comes under the authority of the archaeological department because it is an antique thing. It's a unique thing
But
on its
but
own.
we are lucky enough that many things archaeology thing, but which is whatever under archaeology
Huh.
department.
They
Many
will-
times they will not open for they're
Common
not-
people, for the
common
public
people.
to come. True, true.
But we are lucky that we are able to
We are
stand
able to walk on this. We are able to enjoy the beautiful scene.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
So, there's one nice cafe over here.
Yeah.
What's the name of the cafe?
Imperial.
Imperial. So we are walking over there and
Yeah.
we're gonna have a cup of tea and I will talk
Yeah.
more about this.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we are going back to. We are going to the shop.
Bullet is there.
Yeah, we are going to the cafe and we're gonna have a, as we said earlier, we're gonna have a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee or coffee?
Coffee.
And this is the bridge we are talking about, guys. This is the old bridge, new bridge, right? This has been built by 1972. Evening time there are no lot of commuters, though it's a holiday, it's a working day.
It's a holiday and during the
Yeah, I'm. Wait.
during Onam time, they will very nicely decorate this bridge.
Yeah.
All the bridges, it's such a feast to the eyes to see the beautiful, colorful lights with which they decorate this bridge. Very nice.
Correct. It used to be looking awesome, and last 2 years, kind of, less number of people are coming to this area, and now we can actually declare that. Declare is the right word. That this is open, guys. Evening time you can come. Only I'm very fond of these buses, KSRTC buses.
How about having a vlog in the bus?
Yeah. One more vlog is coming out in our channel. We're going to travel from Patanapuram to Sultan Bathery, which is in Wayanad, Kalpetta, with a KSRTC driver. Okay. And we're gonna be we're gonna be traveling with that driver, and we're gonna get to know that what kind of life they're having it. Correct? Our Gandhiji is sitting here as a guardian of this place. Yeah. So now we are going to Imperial Bakers. This is one of the. These are also very old bake, right?
But very tasty
Yeah.
food materials. So friends, if you pass by this place, do hop in this Imperial Bakery because the donuts of this place is awesome. But timing is like 2:30 in the afternoon till 3, right? I don't think so now I will get it, but let me go and check it out if I can get the donuts in this place. So hop in whenever you pass by this place because the food stuff you get over here is awesome. So you get n number of nice foods. You can check it out, tasty ones. So we're gonna pull over and I'm gonna show you something exotic over here. This is what I love the most over here. I get so fascinated with this work over here. They have kept it as a theme because it's just adjacent to the hanging bridge, the suspension bridge, which we have just showed you, friends. Isn't it a wonderful piece of work? I mean, I really like it, and they are the bakers since 1965. Come on now, this is again a long era, and I would love to have a seat over here close to this great background of this Imperial Bakery. So there comes egg puff for Satish and chicken roll. Well, I'm trying this for the first time. I generally like vegetable puff.
I think we are kind of tired.
And I'm really tired and need a cup of tea because we didn't have a cup of tea afternoon itself. Actually, since morning we both wanted to come, but then because of the rain, we couldn't come out. So chalo, let us have some munching things so that we get some energy and catch you in the next video.
Yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. We're gonna have a couple of videos from Punalur itself because we are here in Punalur now.
Yeah.
So another video is gonna come. If anybody come watching it from Punalur, please let us know that if any nice place you want us to be. And
Write to us in the comment section.
You can actually write to us in Instagram also.
Yeah.
Please do that. So we'd really love to explore this place. We'll be here for like 10 more days here. We wanted to cover this area. Yeah. We'll come back with a wonderful video tomorrow, same time. Till then.
Bye-bye.